Right now, somewhere in your town, a plumber is losing a $1,000 job because his phone rang and he couldn't answer it. Today, I'll show you the exact system that saves that job and how a business will pay you every single month to run it. Quick note first, this is educational only, not financial advice. Welcome to Moolah, IQ, where we make personal finance, investing, and trading simple. In our last video, I showed you 5 small systems that local businesses will pay a monthly fee for. Today, we build the first one, start to finish. The missed call text back. It comes first for a reason. It is the simplest one to sell because the problem is so painfully obvious that every owner already feels it. Let me give you the problem in numbers. Local businesses miss somewhere between 30 and 60% of their calls. Think about that. A plumber under a sink, a stylist in the middle of a haircut, a dentist's front desk at lunch. The phone rings, nobody picks up, and the caller hits voicemail. Most of those callers never call back. They don't leave a message. They simply dial the next business on the list. That call was a customer, ready to spend money at the exact moment they wanted to spend it. And it evaporated. So this is what we build. The moment a call goes unanswered, the system waits about 60 seconds, a small window in case someone grabs it. Then it automatically texts the caller something warm and simple. "Hi, this is Johnson Plumbing. Sorry we missed your call. How can we help?" The conversation is alive again. The customer feels heard. The job doesn't walk away. The owner sees the text thread and picks it up when their hands are free. That's the whole concept. When a call is missed, send a text, log it, and alert the owner. 4 moves. Now let me walk you through how each piece actually gets built so you can see for yourself there's no magic in it. Step 1. The phone number. You set up a business phone number inside a service called Twilio. Twilio is the tool big companies use to send and receive calls and texts with software, and it costs a few dollars a month. The client's existing business line gets forwarded to this new number, so nothing changes for their customers. Same number on the truck, same number on the website. One important thing here, and it works in your favor. In the United States, any system that texts customers needs a quick registration first. It's called A2P 10DLC. It sounds technical, but it's a form. Business name, address, what kind of messages you'll send. It takes a little patience, and every message you send needs a reply stop to opt out line at the end. The reason this works in your favor is simple. It's one more thing the business owner doesn't want to deal with, which means handling that registration becomes part of the service they're paying you for. Step 2. Detecting the missed call. This is the one genuinely clever part of the build, so listen closely. The no-code tool we use to connect everything is called Make at make.com, and it doesn't have a built-in trigger that says a call was missed. So we create one. Inside Twilio, there's a visual builder called Studio. You build a tiny flow in it. When a call comes in, ring the business, then watch what happens. If the call gets answered, do nothing. If the status comes back as no answer or busy, fire a signal over to Make. That signal is called a webhook. Think of a webhook as a doorbell between 2 apps. Twilio presses the doorbell, and your Make scenario wakes up. Step 3. The text. Inside Make, your scenario starts with that webhook, which receives the caller's number the moment the doorbell rings. Then you add one module. Twilio, send an SMS. The message is written once and reused forever. "Hi, this is the business name. Sorry we missed your call. How can we help?" Reply, stop to opt out. You can even use an AI assistant like Claude or ChatGPT to help you write a version that matches each client's tone. Friendly for a salon, straightforward for a roofer. Step 4. The log and the alert. Add a Google Sheets module that writes 1 row for every missed call. The time, the number, and the word texted. That spreadsheet becomes your proof. Then add one more module that emails the owner or pings their Slack. Missed call from this number, we already texted them. The owner never wonders what happened. They watch the save happen in real time. Then you test it. Call the number. Don't answer. Watch the text arrive, the row appear, the alert fire. When all 3 happen, the system is alive. Now, one honest shortcut. Because I promise to always be straight with you. There's a platform called Go High Level that has a native missed call trigger built right in. No Twilio Studio flow needed. If the fiddly part scares you, you can build this entire system inside Go High Level instead. The trade-off is cost and lock-in. Make plus Twilio is cheaper and more flexible, while Go High Level is easier and more bundled. Either path gets you a working system. Pick one and build. Let's talk about what this is worth, because this is where most beginners go wrong. They think the build took an afternoon, so they should charge a little. No, you price the outcome, not the hour. One recovered job for a plumber can be worth $500, $1,000, even $2,000. Your system recovers those jobs every single week, silently, for as long as it runs. The going rate for this build is $300 to $500 for the one-time setup, plus $100 to $300 a month to keep it running, monitored, and tweaked. If that monthly fee saves the business even one job, it has paid for itself many times over. When you pitch it, use this line. You're already paying for marketing to make the phone ring. I make sure the ring turns into a customer. The recurring part is the whole point. You build it once, and it pays you every month afterward for work you finished weeks ago. It's the same principle wealthy people use with their assets. Effort goes in one time. Value keeps coming out. You stop trading hours for dollars and start building small machines that earn while you sleep. Now for the honest part, this is a real skill and a real service, not a magic button. Your first build will take longer than an afternoon because you'll be learning Twilio and make as you go. That's normal, and it's actually your protection. The very reason this looks technical is the reason a busy plumber will never do it himself. Push through one build and the second takes half the time. Land one client and the second becomes easier because now you have proof. Picture where this goes. A few months from now, you have 3 or 4 of these running around town. Each one quietly texting missed callers while you have dinner with your family. Each one depositing a monthly fee. It isn't a fortune yet, but it's a foundation. The first real brick of income that doesn't need you present to earn it. Your assignment for this week is deliberately small. Don't build anything yet. Open a map app, search one trade, plumbers or salons, and call 3 of them during lunch hour. Count how many go to voicemail. That number becomes your sales pitch and you'll have it by tomorrow. If you want the complete written playbook, this build and the 4 that follow, step by step, plus the exact message to send to land your first client, I made you a free guide. It's called the 5-Week Micro Automation Builder. Head to moolahiq.com and grab your copy. Tell me in the comments what trade you're going to test first. Give me the business type and your town's size, and I'll tell you the fastest way in. Next video, we build System 2, the instant lead reply. The one that answers a website inquiry in seconds instead of days. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This is Moolah IQ, helping you increase your financial IQ, one wise decision at a time.